What's the feed on the table with auto feed?
It's 4 threads per inch. So we're using a screw feed. It's the most aggressive screw that you can do on this machine. So I'm using the half nut down here, which is just meant for threading. And I figured out if you run about 3 priming threads, I guess you would call them, where you don't actually move it and you just wrap the coil, then when you clip it, what you're left with is pretty nice. If you do any less than that, then it kind of uncoils on the end and it doesn't look so great.
So you had no idea how much it would expand?
Correct. We had to make a few of them before. So now when I do this, you'll see it pop open.
Yep.
See how there's 2 at the end here that are nice and tightly wound. Same with that side. So then when you go to if you want a nice finished end, then you can cut it way back here. And then it looks like a nice spring, right? So we tried a few different sizes.